What if I told you, the biggest threat to humanity is not war, not asteroids, not even climate change, but the ground beneath your feet? What if every volcano on Earth erupted at the same time? Not one, not 10, all of them. A silent warning. Right now, more than 1,500 active volcanoes surround our planet. Some sleep quietly, some rumble beneath cities, some hide under oceans. They look harmless. But what if, in a single terrifying moment, they all woke up together? No warning. No escape. The Earth breaks open. It begins with a low vibration. Not an earthquake. A global heartbeat. Mountains crack. Islands split. The ocean floor tears open. From Hawaii to Indonesia. From Yellowstone to Iceland. Lava fountains explode into the sky. Entire landscapes turn into rivers of fire. Cities near volcanoes vanish within minutes. And this is only the beginning. Fire rain from the sky. Ash rises higher than airplanes fly. Volcanic explosions punch through the atmosphere. Within hours, the sky turns black. Hot ash falls like deadly snow, collapsing buildings, burning skin, destroying crops. Breathing becomes impossible. Engines fail. Planes fall from the sky. The modern world goes silent. The oceans boil. Most people forget this terrifying fact. Most volcanoes are underwater. As they erupt, tsunamis form from every direction. Waves taller than skyscrapers slam into coastlines. Entire nations disappear beneath the sea. Ports, ships, and coastal cities are erased. The oceans heat up. Marine life dies. Food chains collapse. Earth's balance is breaking. Volcanic winter begins. Ash and sulfur gases surround the planet, blocking sunlight. Days feel like dusk. Temperatures drop worldwide. This is called volcanic winter. Plants stop growing. Farms fail. Animals starve. Within months, global famine begins. No country is safe. No borders matter. Humanity fights to survive. Electricity is gone. Satellites fail. Communication ends. People flee cities, searching for food and shelter. Governments collapse. Survival becomes the only law. Underground bunkers become humanity's last refuge. Above ground, Earth has become hostile. Could humans go extinct? Would this event wipe us out completely? Surprisingly, maybe not. Some humans would survive underground, near stable regions, with stored food and clean water. But civilization as we know it, gone. No internet. No modern cities. No global economy. Humanity would be thrown back. Hundreds, maybe thousands, of years. The long recovery. After decades, ash would settle. Skies would slowly clear. Sunlight would return. Volcanic soil would become fertile again. Life would begin anew. But Earth would be changed forever. New coastlines. New mountains. A new human story. So next time you feel the ground beneath your feet, remember this. Earth is not just our home. It is a living, breathing force. And if it ever decides to awaken fully, humanity will only be a guest, trying to survive.